Are you frustrated with how your business handles incoming calls? It's not just about answering the phone, but how you do it. A call handling service like Ruby can solve your communication challenges. Imagine every call answered by a friendly, professional receptionist. They take messages, schedule appointments, and maintain a polished image for your business. Ruby's service offers 24/7 live answering, ensuring your customers are greeted anytime they call. Enjoy bilingual support to widen your reach and improve customer connection. Plus, with Ruby, every call is personalized, reflecting your unique brand voice. What makes Ruby stand out? Our human-centric approach ensures every interaction leaves a positive impression. Ready to transform how you handle calls? Visit our website and discover how Ruby can help your business shine today.